Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to cook palm nut stew. Some people call it banga stew, whereas where I came from we call it OFE AKWU. In whichever name you know it with, that is what I wanna cook. The full plate of the palm nut stew you are seeing on my countertop is the result of it all. If you want to know how I came up with this yummy and delicious palm nut stew, sit back and watch while I walk you through my recipes. The ingredients we have for the palm nut stew are set on the table. As you can see, I got here a full Ziploc bag of palm fruit, but I'm not going to use all. It was just that a family friend traveled to Nigeria and brought the palm fruit for us, and I pour it inside the Ziploc and store inside the fridge for it not to spoil, so that anytime I want to cook anything related to palm fruit, I'll be using it small. You know, it's not good to waste the food, mainly when it comes from a far place. These are my protein. I got here smoked salmon fish. You can use mackerel fish if you so wish. This is cow tail. You can use cow leg. This is grilled beef. And I got here dry fish. Okay, I got here crayfish, ogiri, which is fermented African locust beans, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I got my onion. For you to get the real taste of OFE AKWU, you must use enough onion. I'm using the combination of two leaves, ogiri, which is pumpkin leaf in English, and scent leaf. You can use either of them, they all goes. I got here seasoning cubes, salt, and lastly I got my beef stock. Next, I've added the quantity of palm fruit I want in the pot already, with some water in it that will be enough to cook it until it is very tender, to either mash with my hands or pan with a mortar. I'll cover it now and cook it until it is tender, as I earlier said. After 15-20 minutes, Virtuous family, let's see the palm fruit and see how it's doing. As you can see, the cracks on it indicates that it is cooked. Can you see it? Yeah, it is cooked to either mash or pound. Can you see how soft it is? So we'll remove it now and do the rest. So Virtuous family, as soon as I remove the palm fruit from the heat, I will start pounding it immediately so that it will not cool. It's better to pound it when it is hot, so that all the palm oil concentrate will come out of the palm fruit. Okay, this part is very important. My mortar is small, as you can see. If you have a bigger mortar, you can add the palm fruit at once, but since my mortar is small, I will be pounding it small until I am done. This my mortar, I don't even know whether I will include myself as someone that has mortar or not. But all the same, it is well. This is how I keep pounding it, batch by batch, little by little, until I am done. And when I'm done, sure, I will get back to you. Now I'm done pounding it. As you can see, I am adding warm water to it, because you must use warm water so that warm water will help extract the palm oil concentrate from the palm fruit. Okay, this part is very important, and you have to be adding the water little by little, small. Don't add it at once, because the liquid don't have to be very light, it have to be a bit thick. Okay, this is how I will keep adding it little by little, extracting the palm oil concentrate from the palm fruit until I am done. Can you see how thick it is? It don't have to be light, it have to be big thick. Okay, so that it will be very easy to cook on time. After extracting the first batch, I will now add more warm water, and this is how I will keep extracting the palm oil concentrate from the palm fruit. And after then, I will separate the chaff from the palm nuts. Okay. I'm done extracting it. This is the extracted palm oil concentrate right inside the pot. I have the chaff, which I will dry and use with firewood for bone cooking, which some of you know what I'm talking about. Why the palm kernel, I will crack it and eat it like that, or use it to make my palm kernel oil. Next, the palm oil concentrate is on the heat already. We'll bring it to a boil. Then after which I will add my proteins or whatever I have for the soup. You can add yours immediately depending on what you want, but I like bringing it to a boil first. As the palm fruit extract is on the heat, instead of sitting and waiting for nothing, I will use that opportunity and slice my vegetable, which is pumpkin leaf and scent leaf. This is done, as you can see. Please, to save time, I will blend the crayfish, Scotch bonnet pepper and ogiri off the camera. Okay, this is the palm oil concentrate. It has started boiling. I will allow it to boil more before adding anything. I will check the palm fruit concentrate again, and it is due to add other things. I will add my dry fish, as you can see, and all other proteins, which I have the list on the description box. After that, I will stir them in a bit and then add my blended crayfish, Scotch bonnet pepper and ogiri. After which I will add my diced onion, seasoning cube and some salt to taste, and then stir it in very well to combine. Okay, please note, I have steamed or seasoned all the proteins before now. They are already tender as I speak. If you know that the meat you are using is not tender, please add them on time. Now I will add my beef stock, which I have my curry powder and all-purpose seasoning in there, and they are totally optional. I will stir very well again. This is one soup I can tell you that does not waste anybody's time. Once you boil and extract the palm oil concentrate, the soup is good to go. Now I will cover it and allow it to boil. After 10 minutes, guys, this is what we got. The soup is cooked, but not all that's cooked. So now I will add my dry fish. Why I added the dry fish last is that I don't want to hear that story of you shoot to bed, the mama come fly. So I will add my scent leaf so that the flavor of the scent leaf will enter before the pumpkin leaf, and I will stir in very well and then cover for more 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, guys, I will finally add my pumpkin leaf. If you watch very well, you will notice a change on the soup, which is the float of oil on it. It indicates that the soup is well cooked. I am stirring the pumpkin leaf in, as you can see. I will check and balance the taste, and I find out that the taste is excellent. Now I will cover it halfway and allow it to simmer on a low heat for 10 minutes. After simmering on a low heat for 10 minutes, this is what we got. The stew is well set. There is no two ways about it. I will stir it in. Can you see the consistency? The thickness is on point. Okay, on this junction, Virtuous family, our palm nut stew, our banga stew, our OFE AKWU is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, Virtuous family, this is the result of the palm nut stew or OFE AKWU. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? The stew tasted so yummy and delicious. You can eat it with white rice, yam or even plantain. Hope you enjoy watching every clip of this video today. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this palm nut stew and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.